Hey, have you checked your car insurance lately? Like, seriously? Because even if you haven't been in an accident or gotten a ticket, your rate probably went way up. Mine did. And no, I didn't suddenly turn into Dominic Toretto overnight. The national average car insurance rate has jumped over 20% in the past year, and in some states it's even worse. So today, we're diving into why this is happening and what you, whether you're a street racer, drag strip warrior, or just a guy with a clean Camaro, can do about it. Stick around till the end for some real tips to save you serious cash. And hey, if you find this helpful, give it a like and smash that subscribe button for more real talk about cars and life behind the wheel. Alright, so let's get into the why, because trust me, it's not just you. First up, inflation and repair costs. Cars today are basically rolling computers. If you crack a bumper, you're not just replacing plastic, you're replacing sensors, cameras, radars. A simple fender bender can cost $4,000 or more these days. Multiply that by millions of accidents, and guess who's covering it? Yup, you. Then, we've got accident severity. Thanks to distracted driving, speed, and more traffic on the road, crashes are uglier and more expensive than ever. And let's not forget the legal side. Lawsuits, hospital bills, ambulance rides, it's all skyrocketing.
So guess what?
Insurance companies are padding those premiums. Now let's talk about you, especially if you're into fast cars, mods, or weekend racing. You might think, hey, I race on the track, I'm responsible. But insurance companies, they're not checking your race record, they're checking your risk profile. Got a roll cage? Wide tires? Turbo kit? They see that as this person likes speed, higher risk. Boom, higher premium. I knew this guy, Jason, a drag racer down in Texas. Super chill dude. He started posting track runs on Instagram, tagged NAR Track Life, and within a few months, his premiums shot up by 35%. Why? Because some insurers are now scanning social content to assess risk. Yes, it's creepy. And if you're doing the occasional race or cruise, make sure your car isn't classified as a daily driver. Usage classification matters. Track car, weekend toy, tell your insurer. Where you live is just as important. Live in Michigan? Prepare to sell a kidney for your premiums. California or Florida? Insurance companies are literally pulling out because of climate risk and regulation. Urban areas mean more traffic, more accidents, and higher costs. Even zip codes can change your rate. And age and gender? Sorry fellas, if you're a guy under 25 driving a V8, the system assumes you're running from cops on weekends. Not fair. But that's how the risk models work. Let's talk about some wild stuff most people don't realize. Ever heard of telematics? That's when your insurer gives you a little plug-in or an app that tracks how you drive. Speed, braking, acceleration, time of day, all of it. If you drive like a grandma, cool, you might save money. But if you brake late or launch hard at green lights, they know. One guy got his safe driver discount taken away because the telematics caught him gunning it out of stoplights too often. Oh, and get this. Some companies are reportedly checking social media and app data to build driver risk profiles. You post donuts in a parking lot? Yeah, that might not age well. Lastly, there are fewer insurance providers in some areas. Less competition means higher rates. Simple as that. Alright, so what can you actually do? Separate your track car and your daily. Don't insure your race toy as a commuter. That's just burning money. Use brokers or rate comparison tools. You'd be shocked how many people overpay just because they haven't switched in 2 years. Try usage-based insurance. If you only drive on weekends, UBI could drop your rate big time. Amber, real gearhead, switched her Camaro to weekend only and got on a UBI plan. She saved $700 a year. That's money she put back into a set of drag radials. And here's a big one. Don't post dumb stuff online. Insurers might be watching. So yeah, insurance is wild right now. But if you know the game, you can play smarter. Now I want to hear from you. What's the worst insurance story you've ever had? Or your best money-saving hack? Drop it in the comments. I might feature a few in my next video. And if this helped you even a little, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more car talk, behind the scenes, and stuff that actually matters to drivers like us. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, race smart, and don't let the insurance guys wreck your wallet.